Hey guys, Crazy J, I'm back today. Check it out. Today I'm doing a zip tie versus a ladder strap. The ladder strap is this right here. As you notice, I'm wearing shorts, flip-flops, so it's probably gonna hurt pretty good. The zip tie is not a normal zip tie. It's an industrial strength zip tie. So I'm gonna be getting hit with that. As you notice, like I said, I'm wearing shorts, so it's probably gonna sting a little bit. So we'll go ahead and get with it. We'll do the zip tie first. We haven't done this in a minute. Whenever you're ready, brother. Oh, whoa. Oh, yeah, that one stung really, really well. Oh, that one hurt right there. It's gonna bruise real nice. It came around, got me right here, as you can see. Cut me right there a little bit. So now we'll get to the ladder strap. See what that one does. Same spot or a little higher, it's up to you. Oh!
Right in the same spot.
Dear Lord. Oh, ladder strap. Oh yeah, right there, same spot. That's gonna bruise very nicely. For today's video, I gotta say the ladder strap hurt the worst. I love you guys. God bless you. See you next time.